Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Watch this video until the end to exactly know how you can, and before I move on, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. Now to delete your account permanently, you need to be first logged into your account and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings. Now in settings, you need to tap on help and then tap on help center. Now it's gonna take you to a completely different page where you can find help for any of the problem that you're facing on your account of Instagram. You can see there are tons of options all over. Now to simply find an option of delete your account, you simply need to search for a delete your account on the search bar right here. Tap on the first option and again it's going to show you a bunch of options. You need to select the first one which says delete your Instagram account. After that, here it's going to show you can also temporarily deactivate it instead of deleting it, but you don't want that. You need to again tap on Android app help and select the mobile browser help option, which is the second to last option. Now here you'll be able to see an option of delete your account. If you scroll down right here on the first step, it says delete your account. You can tap on that. Select your reason for deleting your account. Now the last thing you need to do is you need to enter the password of your account and then you can tap on delete right here. Now a date will be visible right here. Mine is 29th January. After I delete my account, if I change my mind, I can again log into my account and successfully reactivate it. But if I don't do it within 29th January, my account will be permanently deleted. So you'll need to keep that date in mind if you want to again log in and reactivate your account. So that was the step-by-step process on how to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, make sure to share, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.